you know, where my, gotta get out my car. Where's my thing at? That's why you gotta get out my car. That's why you gotta go. I got no money. I ain't got no money to be wasting on you. Yeah.
You done put my clothes.
Get out my car. Get out my car.
You done put my clothes out, bro. Bro, you put my clothes.
Yeah, get out my car.
This nigga done put my clothes out.
Get out my car. Here. Get out my car. Let's throw it back in.
You wrong, the bitch. Why would you put my clothes out? Why would you put my clothes out?
Yeah, you finna get out.
That is fucking wrong, bro. This nigga done put my clothes out on the fucking street, bro. Why would you do that, man? Why would you leave my stuff out like that?
Get out my car, please.
This nigga put my clothes out, bro.
Let's put you out. You just get out my car.
This nigga put my fucking clothes
You
out.
just get out my car.
This nigga done put my fucking clothes out. Look at this, bro. He done put my shit the fuck out. Look at my, bro.
Shit, you just get out my car. Shit, you just get out my car, please. I want to get the shit, you just get out my car. You can get away from me. Get your shit, you just get out my car.
This nigga, bro.
Yeah. Just get out my car, bet you up. Just get out my car, baby. Just get out my car. I swear to God, you just get out my car. I'm trying to make it easy for you, man. Spend no more money on you. No shit. No more money on this. This is crazy, man. This is tearing me down. I'm some janky paper. This is killing me. This is just like her grandma. This side you grown on top of you. She doing the same thing. Up my glass. Yeah, you just get up. Just get up. Guarantee you're gonna get out of mine.